I'm ready for Christmas with all of my bling. This is the November Allure box. I couldn't get her to take the Christmas lights off, so welcome to the November Allure box, $30 a month. It comes with a brochure with a lovely person on the front, information inside about the items. So let's see what we've got. We get to make a customization or a choice now monthly with the box. Charlotte Tilbury has made her way through. Oh, whoa. I picked Charlotte Tilbury Spotlight. It is more of a highlighter than a blush. You had a choice of 3 items: Pillow Talk, Hollywood Beauty Light in Spotlight, or Light Wand in Pink. I have enough blush. I probably have enough highlighter too, but I wanted something different. So this is the one that I picked, and like I showed you, that's the nice color that it will be with a little bit of sparkle. Oh, I do love me a good bling and sparkle. And it talks about how this has luminosity to it. A touch of flush with the blush, or a strobe light sheen with the highlighters. That was a full-size item at 12 milliliters for $42. So for a $30 box, you've already paid for it, and then some. This is the Kat Von Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream. It does have a safety seal. I've gotten a little sniff of it. It has a fresh, fruity scent. It reminds me of, remember that gum that was striped with different colors? I think there was a zebra on the package. If you know, you know. The brochure tells us that it has 15% vitamin C in there. It's a potent brightening cream, and it also hydrates. Oh, that's nice. That was a full-size item. I had to double check the price. 1 ounce is $80. A $30 box is giving us a lot of good value this month in November. Next is the Half Magic Sparkle Stick. It's an eyeshadow. I got mine in this nice shade of blue. To be exact, I played around with it. Excuse me, Miss Fatima. Played around with it today with another eyeshadow palette. It is a very soft product. Do not be heavy-handed. It is a very soft product. I like the shade. Now, I will admit, and I did mention this to them on social media, that I wish they could have saved these, because there were a variety of shades, and I've heard a lot of people complaining that they don't like the shade that they got. I wish they could have saved this for December and let us customize, because there's quite the collection of shades here. Half Magic Sparkle Stick Eye Crayon in Champagne Snowflake, Twirlita, Punk Pony, Faux Box, Cloud Kid, Princess Teddy, Frostville, or Noir or Never. I think this might have been a better customization, in my opinion. What do I know about running a subscription box? That was a full-size item at $25. So it's reasonably priced. It's just, as like I said, when I was playing with it today, don't be heavy-handed. It is a soft product. Next up is a sample size from L'Occitane. It is an almond shower oil. And when it first came out of the box, I don't know if it's going to show up on the camera or not, it looked like the packaging had bubbled in transit. I didn't think too much of it because it's been hot, it's been cold, it's been hot, it's been cold. Packaging might bubble. And then the more I started feeling it. She worked in healthcare for over 30 years. She knows a lot of stuff. It felt like those bubbles were in an awfully familiar pattern. So I looked. I know, you're not supposed to look. If you think you've got Braille, don't look. Try to figure it out. Well, I looked. And sure enough, they have it in Braille on the side of the package. And it says almond shower oil on the side of the package. And I thought, how neat is that? That was a sample size. Full size is $29 for 250 milliliters. I can't use it because I'm allergic to nuts. So I'm either gonna gift it or we'll see if Jeff wants to use it. I think the last time I had that product, he liked it. And it says that it is an oil to milk cleanser, transforms from silky elixir into a lavish lather. Oh, wow, that sounds neat. I might even try it on a hoof. We have a sample size of Lucita Biotin collagen hair mask. And I gotta say, that's a decent amount if that's only a sample. Yeah, let me just double check that because this is 3.38 fluid ounces. And that seems like a decent size. Oh, would help if I was looking at the right item. Yep, it's still a sample size. Full size would be 500 milliliters. This is 100. Full size would be $36. It says to skip the conditioner and use this in place. So this is a hair mask. I've taken a little sniff through the safety seal, a little more perfumed. Yes, I know I'm going to rinse it out, but this will probably get passed along. But hey, we're getting a good variety. Yes, definitely a good variety here on the November Allure box. Which, by the way, we have a code down below. If you're a new subscriber to Allure, it will get you a free item. And moving right along with this video. Sephora is making another appearance with its big by definition defining and volumizing mascara. Nice to see Sephora again. They were here last month or the month before. I can't remember. Forgetful in her old age. That was a sample size. Full size is 10 milliliters at $15, so the price is definitely reasonable if you try it and you like it. This is Noteworthy Scents N307 Sunlit Grove. This obviously is the sample size. Full size would be $139. Perfume ain't cheap. This sounded interesting with the first notes of mandarin and basil. That sounded interesting. Then they got to sandalwood. That's not quite my thing, so I think I will save this for someone else. But if you'd like to try different perfumes, here's an opportunity. We don't get a perfume every box, but they do that sometimes. So here's an opportunity. This month, the box has a sponsor. Liquid IV. This is their sugar-free. You get 3 different flavors. We got white peach, lemon lime, and green grape. I like Liquid IV. I just don't like sugar-free. That doesn't work well with my system, so I'm going to save this and pass it along. But very nice, and I'm looking up here. It does give us an expiration date of April 3rd, 2027. So plenty of time to use it. After much thinking, Anne has decided her 2 favorites are the Kat Berkey Vitamin C and the eyeshadow stick from... Where is this from? From Half Magic. Did you say anything that you liked? Let me know down below. I'm a nosy channel. I want to know all the details. A quick look at the nitty-gritty, because that's what she likes to do. This is $30 a month. Shipping is free. There are taxes if you live in an area where they need to collect taxes. 6 items per month, 3 full size, 3 sample size. They now have add-ons, and it appears that their selection of add-ons is slowly growing. That's nice, if you want to add something extra. The price isn't quite as good as maybe some other boxes with add-ons, but this is new to them, so they're doing the best they can. We do have a code below for new Allure subscribers. It'll get you a free item. This month, we got more than the promised 6 items. We got 7, plus an additional item that was a sponsor item for the Liquid IV. That's always a nice plus. I'm noticing we're getting more makeup. What would I do differently? Like I said earlier, I would have held the eyeshadow stick for the December box and let people choose their color. Then again, what do I know about running a subscription box? We only open them up. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. We have all kinds of fun things going on. We're in the middle of our Advent season unboxing, so there's extra videos. In December, there's going to be extra shorts. So check out the channel. Don't forget to have, like, subscribe, share, notification bell, all that fun stuff. Comment down below. And we do hope to see you in another video because we got lots of them coming. Check out that shorts feed.